Hello everyone, this is your Pokemon Master K from India, and in today's video we are going to see unboxing of the Pokeball Plus charging stand, and we are going to also see the Pokeball Plus case. So come on guys, let's go into the video. So this product was also bought from Play Asia. So the item was neatly packed and safely arrived, and these are the stickers and coupons from Play Asia if you purchase them. And this is the charging stand for the Pokeball Plus, and this Hori is officially licensed by Nintendo. So before we open the charging stand, we'll just have a quick look at the Pokeball Plus case that we have here. And I got this from Amazon India, and I'll leave the link in the description below. So this is pretty much it, and you can have your Pokeball Plus comfortably, and you can use this to carry. So this case is good. Now let's quickly open the box. So this is the product itself. It's high quality plastic, and we have a USB that we can plug in. So we take the Pokeball Plus and this small accessory which is given, and we just insert it. So we'll place the Pokeball Plus inside. Let's charge it. While charging, you will hear a small sound to indicate it's charging. Yeah, and it's perfectly charging, and that's the charging stand for you guys, and it comes quite handy and it looks very good. So that was the quick unboxing video of the charging stand and the case for the Pokeball Plus, and I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and share this with your Pokemon fans, and until then, see you in the next video, and I'll leave the link of these products in the description below, so be sure to check it out in case you want to buy it. So bye bye.